Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector. The Indian Navy has now approached Narendra Modi government for the approval to make changes in the Cabinet Committee of Security (CCS) approved 30-year submarine building plan to replace 6 conventional attack vessels with nuclear power platform in the context of changing strategic scenario in Indo-Pacific region. The 30-year submarine plan was originally approved by Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee government in July 1999 for the induction of 24 diesel attack submarines. As of now, Indian Navy has 12 aging conventional attack submarines plus 3 new Kalvari class submarines, first of which was commissioned back in December 2017 as a part of 23,652 crore project approved in 2005. It is understood that Navy has sought cabinet approval to allow new submarine force levels of 18 conventional diesel attack submarines, including those with air-independent propulsion, and 6 nuclear attack submarines or SSNs. Now, this change has been sought keeping in mind the rapid increase of nuclear submarine arsenal by People's Liberation Army Navy plan and to protect Indo-Pacific from future domination by the adversary. As of now, India has only one Akula class submarine called INS Chakra on lease from Russian Federation and one ballistic missile firing submarine INS Arighat. The two are under the Strategic Forces Command. All the ballistic missile firing submarines, also called SSBNs, are outside the purview of Indian Navy and are with Strategic Forces Command. According to national security planners, once the Modi government approves the changes to 30-year-old plan, the Indian Navy will move Defence Ministry for the acceptance of necessity before inviting requests for proposals from the key allies for joint development and building of 6 nuclear-powered submarines under the Atmanirbhar Bharat route. The project will take a minimum of 10 years to complete as per the Indian Navy estimates. While the Indian Navy wanted 6 more AIP-equipped diesel submarines to be added to complete 30-year submarine force levels, the national security planners convinced the admirals that nuclear attack submarine is much more potent platform with the capacity to stay below the surface for months and only surface for crew change and logistics. The equatorial waters of Indian Ocean make submarines a very potent weapon due to the temperature difference on the surface and below the water. This causes total internal reflection due to changes in the medium and makes submarines in equatorial water most difficult to detect. It is due to this phenomenon that SSNs will act as a deterrent for both sea access and sea denial to the adversary. The Defence Research and Development Organization (DRDO) being able to indigenously develop the AIP technology, all the INS Kalvari class submarines will also be retrofitted with the new technology during the upgrades or mid-life refits. The Indian Navy too will be taking an orbital jump by moving from diesel submarines to nuclear-powered and conventional cruise missile-equipped platforms. This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We will be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.